All new this afternoon, health officials still scrambling to contain the deadly coronavirus outbreak. There are 11 confirmed cases in the U.S. and travel restrictions now in place with non-citizens traveling from China denied entry to the U.S. There are also mandatory quarantines of up to 14 days for citizens returning from the area around Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak. The Trump administration is considering additional restrictions to stop the virus from spreading.
We're concerned about airports, but we're also looking at maritime ports as well as land ports of entry, so folks coming in from Canada and Mexico as well.
The first patient to test positive in the U.S. has been released from a Seattle area hospital and is recovering in isolation at home. The CDC and global health officials are screening dozens of other potential coronavirus cases, but right now they say there's little risk to the general public. Colleges across the upstate are taking precautions to keep students and faculty safe from the coronavirus.
Several are turning their attention to study abroad programs. Fox's Grace Runkle tells us what changes officials are making.
Furman University is taking precautions against the deadly coronavirus. The school had 3 trips to China planned for this year, but now it looks like all of those are going to be on hold. University officials have already canceled a May trip to the country. Now they are telling students they are canceling the summer internship program in China. Staff is still waiting to make a final decision about the fall semester program. The director of Furman Study Abroad says this isn't the first time they've had to track a potentially deadly virus.
Ebola was one that was more recent. And of course, this predates my time here at Furman, but when SARS and MERS came up as well, those were times where the university had to make big decisions.
Clemson University is also canceling a spring break trip that they were going to take to China, and right now they don't have any other trips scheduled. Reporting from Furman University, Grace Runkle, Fox Carolina News.
The Furman University spokesperson says they are working to find alternative programs for the 20 students scheduled to travel to China in May. Right now, about 10 students have applied to study there in the fall.